Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. Cleanse and pat dry so products adhere. Apply a light moisturizer and wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to sink in. Once done, squeeze a pea of primer onto your fingertips and press it into the T-zone and cheeks to smooth texture and extend wear. If you're heading outdoors, make sure to use SPF 30 or a foundation with built-in SPF. This step reduces creasing and helps pigment sit evenly, so foundation blends easier. You'll build coverage slowly. Pump a small amount of foundation and dot across your face, then blend outward with a damp sponge for natural finish. Once blended, use a concealer under the eyes and on blemishes. Press it in rather than rub. Immediately set the concealer with a light 0. 5 to 1 layer of translucent powder to prevent creasing. Next, fill sparse brow areas and sweep a neutral eyeshadow base across lids to create an even canvas for deeper. You finish by adding dimension. Sweep bronzer where the sun naturally hits, tap blush on the apples, and highlight high points. Blend all edges for cohesion. For lips, line first to shape, then fill with lipstick or gloss. Blot with tissue for longer wear and reapply a thin layer. Make sure to set the entire look with a light mist of setting spray. If something goes wrong, smudges, or fallout, use micellar water on a Q-tip to lift product precisely. Then reblend and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.